Yeah, give him a laugh. And you better hurry up because I'm smiling. There you go. Get you. Get you. Get you. Get you. What are you going to do with him? You're going to get mad at him and throw him? Oh! Yeah. Well, Ted, you're being mean to him. Yes, you are. Give him a love. He likes these things. Chew on them.
Yeah.
Yeah, you chew on those tags, don't you? Give him a hug.
Oh, sweet baby.
Oops.
Uh-oh.
He fell and went boom. Oh!
It's not just a quick fix. It was a tool. I did have to change my lifestyle, my way of thinking, my new...
Oh! Where'd he go? He ran off. He ran off. Here, call Daddy. Call Daddy and tell him hi.
What we're going to do is we're going to
There you
decide and make an incision, and what we're going to do is the
Good
dotted
grief.
line to show where that incision would be under that hanging apron. And guesstimating on that, there has to be 30 pounds of loose hanging tissue to come out with that procedure in itself.
Well, Caden,
Well, I guess you threw it down, didn't you?
where'd it go?
Okay? But all of that will be what she will be
Where'd it go, Caden?
just the incision.
There it is.
Ideally, I would need what's called circumferential binding, where the incision would also go back. This represents an incision back.
Caden. Hey. Hello.
That would be first step.
Did you hear the furnace come on? Hi, Caden. He's getting ready to throw it.
That in itself is a lot of surgery